He was born and raised in a one-room log cabin in the mountains of southwest Virginia. His home was so isolated that he was 12 years old before he saw his first railroad train. Adding to his impoverishment was the loss of his mother when he was 8. A year after his mother's death, his father brought home a new wife. His father introduced her to each of the relatives. When his turn came, he was standing in the corner with his arms folded and a scowl on his face. He was all set to show her how tough he could be. Father walked up to him and said, "Martha, here is your son, Napoleon, the meanest boy in Wise County. I won't be surprised if he starts throwing rocks at you by tomorrow morning." All the relatives roared with laughter. His stepmother walked up to him, put her hand under his chin, and lifted his head upward so she could look squarely into his sullen face, and said, "You are wrong about this boy. He is not the meanest boy in Wise County. He is a smart boy who has not yet learned how to make the best use of his wisdom." With his stepmother's encouragement, he traded his rifle for a typewriter. She taught him to type, to research information, and to express his ideas in writing, and he eventually became a world-class best-selling author. This story is about Napoleon Hill, the best-selling American author of Think and Grow Rich. He said this based on his own experience. There is but one thing over which man has complete control. That is his own mental attitude. When Napoleon Hill replaced the belief that he was mean with the seed thought that he was wise and could do great things, he became the great person he was meant to be. Remember, positive thought has positive consequences, and negative thought has negative consequences.